for Quantum Films. The thrust of the films that I've been doing is always Filipino stories. I just really wanted to make good films. So here we are. I didn't even realize it's been 20 years. We're now on our 50th film. Espantajo is special because it's a horror genre and yet it is a film on woman empowerment. Ang laki ng puso ng pelikula. It sends a very strong message to the audience and yet tatakutin namin ang manunood.
Ang haba ng proseso ng pagkakabuo ng Espantajo. It somehow goes back to the very traditional horror film na may isang bad spirit na nagpapakita every time. Yun ang kilala ng Pinoy.
More than just the horror element, it's really a mystery at heart. Pag akala mo na tungkol na siya dito, meron pa palang isa pang mangyayari. What is actually happening in this house? To this family, ano ang misteryo?
It's a Filipino folklore. It's a scarecrow. Although hindi uso ang scarecrow sa Pilipinas, hinaluan ni Direk Chito ng mga Filipino elements, so makaka-relate yung Filipino audience.
Just Direk Chito alone, nag-yes na ako sa kanya nung tinawagan niya ako. Sinabi niya na, tuparin natin yung pangako ko sa'yo. Sinabi niya horror, umuo na ako. Sa bawat shooting, isa ako sa pinakamasaya na pinapanood ko siya nagdidirect. Kasi nandun siya sa element niya.
Lahat ng cast mahal ko. I've worked with them before. Exciting na makita sila muli.
Mas nakakatakot si Direk Chito noon, no? 30 years ago then and now, siguro mas may patience na kami, mas mature na.
Working with Direk Chito, it's always exciting. Ever since, he's always very particular about details. Para hindi ka nervyos sa'yo, dapat nakikinig ka sa kanya.
It was so challenging role-wise.
Kaya ko ba tong gawin o hindi? The more challenging it is, the more rewarding.
Such a thrilling experience.
Working with veteran like Judy Ann Santos, it's so refreshing. It's so parang kang nabibless eh. And it's something that I love about working in this industry.
As an actor, doon ka natututo kapag ka nakakatrabaho mo yung mga batikan na sa industriya. Paano sila on-cam, paano sila off-cam. Makikita mo ang huhusay nilang artista, mabubuti pa silang tao.
Masaya po ako na nakatrabaho ko si Miss Judy Ann Santos po. Mabait po siya. Kinabahan po ako noon, pero kinaya naman po.
Nagkasama na kami ni Juday, pero ngayon yung talagang as mother and daughter na whatever na binibigay niya, swaswak kaming dalawa. Ang ganda ng pagsasama naming lahat ng mga artista dito. Mula po sa mga magagaling na cinematographer, writer, lahat po ng nasa behind ng mga camera, ginawa ang the best nila at binigay ang the best nila.
Lahat sila na kasama ko sa pelikula, ang huhusay nila. Kaya ang sarap din pumasok sa trabaho eh.
Okay, cut.
Prepared for one great movie.
Hindi siya predictable.
A new horror experience for the audience.
Hindi kompleto ang Metro Manila Film Fest experience nyo kundi kayo manonood ng horror. Let this be the one that completes your experience.
Watching a horror film like Espantajo is something that you'll be able to bond with your family or with your friends. This is what Espantajo is.
Sana panoorin po ninyo ang Espantajo.
For the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival, showing na po on December 25 nationwide.